Hiya, it's Beep here, and I'm going to show you how to grow tomatoes this year in a 5-litre pot. That actually came from supermarket. They often sell pots in the supermarket where the flowers come in, and there's like 6 or 8 or 10 pots that are a nice size and you can use to grow tomatoes. So we've got our pot. It's a 5-litre pot. It's about 23 centimeters wide and about the same high. Got my compost here. There you go. I'm going to go some in the bottom. I'm going to plant this tomato quite deep because it's close to 2 foot tall. Somebody gave it to me. It's a bit overgrown. And I want to show you also how this overgrown plant can be, it would be a bit wobbly in the ground. So we're going to take the pot off. If you squeeze it, it loosens the root, and when you loosen it comes out. Got a lovely root bound, a bit gone round and round. So now we place it in the pot. So as you can see, there isn't a lot of compost in there, but by planting this deep, this will all become roots here. This stem will create roots to hold the plant solid into the pot. So let's have a look. So the plant is in here. Trying to straighten it, and now we're going to cover it with compost. This is a compost I got from the local garden centre. It's their own make. People love it. It's okay. It will definitely grow a lot of tomatoes for me. Make sure the tomato is in the middle of the pot. I like to use gloves for. I'm not one of those people like getting dirty hands and dirty nails. But here we're all different. I'm going to get some more compost. Firm it so it's nice and firm around the plant stem. So this pot is now about 3/4 full. Look, I've lost my gloves. And now you could grow this inside a greenhouse. I've got a little mini one, whereas that's where I'm going to grow it. Or you could grow it against a warm wall. Maybe you've got a warm wall in by your house, and you can grow it there. So this tomato will grow roots along the stem. That's why I've buried it deep. Now it's a lot shorter. Now it's sort of only about a foot instead of nearly 2 feet. I'm going to give it a really good watering, and then I'm going to get a tray for it and stand the pot in a tray so it always has water at its roots available. And I'll follow this journey of this tomato plant. I could grow, I'm going to put a 2 foot bamboo into it, and we'll tie it on as it goes along, and I'll show you how to look after this plant. This was a simple way for you to start growing tomatoes this year.